Here we have two videos. One is the original file and the other one was uploaded to YouTube. This is how it looks on YouTube. You can zoom in and the image is getting uglier and uglier. And you can zoom out using the scroll wheel of the mouse and the image is getting a little bit better. And that's how much you can see on YouTube. But if I start the video from my hard drive, the one which was uploaded to YouTube and it's been played through VLC player, initially this one also looks pretty bad, but the difference is here you can zoom out much more. Of course, if you zoom out too much, then everything is bent. We have this fisheye effect, everything is rounded. Plus you can rotate the image just like on YouTube. But since you are zoomed out, everything is much smaller. You are not as close to the pixels as on YouTube. If you zoom in much more, it looks like on YouTube, it's ugly. If you zoom out a little bit more, it's much more pleasant. And if you zoom out even more, then you can see even the person, which cannot be done on YouTube. For example, at 3 minutes and 6 seconds, it looks like this, zoomed out all the way to the maximum. And at 3 minutes and 6 seconds, it looks like this on YouTube. It's much closer and it's less wider, and thus you see more of the imperfections of the image. So that's how it looks on YouTube. And that's how it looks through VLC player. You are further away and the image is much clearer. On YouTube you are much closer and the image is more pixelated. You can get much closer in VLC player, but then it's uglier. And you can get much further away. The image is getting distorted, but at least it's sharper. And somewhere in the middle you have a more decent quality. You can see much more to the left and to the right, up and down, plus the image is not too pixelated. So to improve the quality of 360-degree videos over YouTube, it should allow to zoom out the image much more. It's too close and it's too pixelated.